All right, guys. So the Harbor Freight parking lot sale starts tomorrow. So Monday, March 3rd through Thursday, March 6th. That's going to be good for the Inside Track Club members. And then Friday, everyone saves all the way to Sunday, March 9th. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and check out some of the top deals you should be checking out at Harbor Freight's parking lot sale. All right, first up on the list is the Daytona 3-ton low profile jack, and they have this in multiple different colors. That's it next to the Long Reach, which is the newer version of the 3-ton Daytona jack, which that one's pretty nice also. But the 3-ton low profile, this is coming in at a price of $125. So really good deal on that. And they usually have a lot in stock, so you don't have to worry about your stores running out. This is a great all-around jack for you guys that are mechanics, so definitely jump on this deal if you've been looking for one. Another good pickup for you mechanics is this Premium Creeper by Icon. 400-pound capacity on that. And for the parking lot sale, it's going to be 16% off. So this was $90, bringing the price down to 75 bucks. Now, if you guys are looking for a good deal on a jump pack, they got the Viking 1000 peak amp. This also has the 150 PSI compressor built in, along with USB-A and 12-volt outputs. This is normally $100, but for the parking lot sale, it's only going to be $70. Now, during the parking lot sale, they have a few Predator generators on sale. One of my favorites is this Predator 3500 super quiet inverter generator. 3500 watts starting, and then 3000 continuous watts on this. This has 11 hours of runtime and only 56 dBs. Electric start, this is usually right around $800, but during the parking lot sale, they're marking this all the way down to 600 bucks. So you're getting $200 off of this. So if you guys are looking for an affordable generator when your power goes out, that's a pretty good deal there. Now with spring right around the corner, you guys might be looking for an affordable pressure washer. Once again, they got the Portland 1750 PSI 13 amp pressure washer. This pressure washer is going to be an excellent choice for some light duty cleaning around the house. This includes a detergent bottle, which is nice if you want to clean your cars, but also great for barbecues and patio furniture. Now, this isn't the lowest price we've seen, but at $70, it's still a really good pickup. Now, this is going to be a really good deal for you guys that have been looking for the Apache case. This is a 2800. This has the pick foam built in, so you can customize it for whatever you put in there. These are usually around 30 bucks. They come in 3 different colors, black, orange, and tan. These are rated at IP65, so they're watertight, dust-proof, impact resistant. There's the pick apart foam that I was talking about. They also have reinforced areas that you can use padlocks on this just to add some extra security. For this parking lot sale, these are coming in at $18. One of the lowest prices that I've seen on the Apache 2800. So if you've been on the fence for one of these, or this has been on your list for a while, definitely pick one of these up during this parking lot sale. I don't think you're going to find a better deal. Also, if you guys are looking for the smaller 1800, they also have that down to $8.94. This was $13, so that's another really good deal on the Apache case. So like I said earlier, if you guys are looking at the Apache cases, 2 really good deals, the 2800 and the 1800. Here's an item I always find myself picking up at these parking lot sales are these Hardy disposable gloves. So they're going to be doing a huge deal in stores only, 50% off all Hardy gloves. Now with the disposable gloves, you got the 5 mil, the 7 mil, and the 9 mil that are going to be 50% off. But it's not just going to be the disposable gloves. It's all Hardy gloves that are going to be 50% off. So if you guys are also looking for some work gloves, Hardy also sells tons of mechanic style gloves and general work gloves. So definitely a good time to pick up some Hardy gloves. 50% off, guys. That's a heck of a deal. I'm not sure if they're going to have a limit on these, but this is an item I'm definitely going to try to stock up on. Now for Bauer, they got a few good deals going on. Here's the dual action polisher. I actually own one of these. A great tool by Bauer. This is corded, but a great price on this, coming in at $39.99. I actually picked this up at the last parking lot sale, and I love this Bauer tool. Works really well. A really good affordable option for polishing and sanding. Another really good deal is this 5-inch orbital palm sander by Bauer. So this is usually around 40 bucks, but during this parking lot sale, they're marking this 50% off all the way down to $20. Another really good pickup for you woodworkers. And then for you metal workers, they also have the 4.5-inch angle grinder. This is usually $30. Really good tool for only 20 bucks, saving you 33% off. Now with the Bauer angle grinder, you're going to need some cutoff wheels or some grinding wheels. Huge deal, in stores only, 40% off the cutoff and grinding wheels. So you might as well pick up some of those along with that grinder. And what I like about this deal is it's including your higher quality Bauer and Hercules cutoff and grinding wheels. And not only do they have just your 4-inch, your 4.5-inch, but they have your larger 7-inch cutoff wheels, and they have these in singles and in packs. Now for you Hercules guys, they're also doing a huge deal, 30% off. Now this is in stores only, but it's going to be off of all corded power tools. So this is a great deal for you guys that have been looking to get into some of the more expensive Hercules tools like this demolition hammer, or say you're looking to upgrade from your Bauer angle grinder to a Hercules model. 30% off something like this $100 Hercules angle grinder is not a bad deal. Or say you're looking for some circular saws, that's also going to apply for say the 7.25-inch circular saw by Hercules. But definitely just a great opportunity if you guys are looking to get into the Hercules corded power tools, 30% off in stores only. Now another nice Hercules product is this portable bandsaw stand. So we've seen this price before, but still a really good deal. This is usually 120 bucks, but this is coming in at $100. And this is a universal design, so the majority of bandsaws are going to work with this. Now another product I find myself reaching for a lot when I'm working on my vehicle is this Braun 500 lumen rechargeable work light. Lowest price that we've seen, $14, is usually $30. So you're getting 53% off on this. Definitely pick this up if you guys are looking for a nice work light. Now another great deal that we usually only see during the parking lot sales is for the US General 5-drawer tool cart. So this is one of those deals that you don't want to pass up if you've been looking for this tool cart. $190, available in 9 different colors. Not going to talk about this too long. You guys know that this is an excellent tool cart. So if this is an item you've been waiting for to catch on a really good price, don't pass this up during this parking lot sale. $190 is probably the lowest we're going to see this tool cart. Now, if you guys are looking for something a little bit bigger to store your tools, they're also going to have the US General 42-inch roll cab coming in at 500 bucks, available in 8 different colors. So you're getting 100 bucks off on this. Another really good deal on this US General tool cabinet. Also, another US General item that comes in handy when you want to organize your sockets is this 3-piece peg style socket tray. So this is going to be a 3-piece set, available in 4 different colors. 28% off on this. This was 25 bucks. You can pick this up during the parking lot sale for $18. Now, unfortunately, they're not doing any icon ratchets or socket set deals during this parking lot sale, but they are doing 40% off the Quinn socket sets and ratchet sets. Once again, this is going to be in stores only. So actually, not too bad of a deal for you Quinn guys. And they got tons to choose from. Now, obviously, these aren't as good as the Icon, but in my opinion, these are still really good tools. These are going to be a great upgrade from you guys that might be using Pittsburgh tools. And with the 40% off, you'll still be getting these at a pretty good discount. Now, here's an item I'm excited about. I'll be picking this up during this parking lot sale, is the titanium Easy Flux 125. One of the lowest prices that we've seen. Usually it's around 124, 125 bucks. They got a few dollars more off on this, bringing the price down to $120. So nice pickup there if you guys have been looking to pick this up like I have. And then along with that, they're also doing a deal on the welding helmet. So this is the auto darkening welding helmet. This is the Chicago electric version. So this is kind of the budget version. This is usually 40 bucks, but they're going to have $10 off on this, bringing the price down to $30. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit better, they're also going to have the titanium auto darkening welding helmet. Huge discount on this, 30 bucks off, usually around $110. They're going to bring the price down all the way to $80. This one's going to be a lot better quality, and it's going to give you a better view of what you're welding. Now, here's another item I like from Harbor Freight, are these hardwood dollies. Really affordable at $8, usually around $13. This is the 18-inch by 12-inch, 1,000-pound capacity. But these come in really handy when you got to move stuff around your shop or garage. These really save your back. Another item I got a lot of are these moving blankets by Franklin. This is the 40-inch by 72-inch. These come in really handy. I've used these in a lot of different situations, whether covering up something, or I've used these to actually lay on when I was working on my car. Under $4. Do yourself a favor and just pick up a couple of these. You'd be surprised how useful these are. Another cheap item at Harbor Freight that came in handy for me was this 11 amp 1500 watt heat gun. So 50% off on this, bringing the price down to under $10. This is usually around 20 bucks. Another product that I think is well worth the price. All right, guys, so there you go. Some of my top picks for this parking lot sale at Harbor Freight. Like I said earlier, this sale starts tomorrow, March 3rd, and it runs all the way through till Sunday. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys might be picking up at this parking lot sale. Hopefully you guys found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. And if you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.